Do you feel like discipline is painful and boring and it is so hard to be disciplined? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you three keys to make discipline fun for you so you can crush whatever goals that you have. By the way, my name is Ahmed. I help people make discipline easier and fun for them so they can crush their goals. So, without wasting time, let's start with the video. First key is called the perception reframe, and I'm gonna explain it in simple terms. Imagine a person who got to do a task and he's like, I have to do this task, the task is so painful. Then, of course, he's going to feel resistance in doing that task. He's going to avoid that task. He's gonna procrastinate on that task, isn't it? Because he thinks the task is so painful. So, what's the solution for it? How can you make the task fun for you? Here's the thing, ask yourself, how would I work on this task if my goal was to have fun while doing this task? Then you can be blown away by how much the task can be fun for you. You have to perceive it differently. For example, I make these YouTube videos. When I used to record my videos, it used to feel painful. I used to feel burnt out by recording videos. But then I said, how can I do this task while having fun? And I came to a conclusion that I am gonna speak to the camera as if I'm speaking to a friend. And now, task of recording videos feel more fun to me. So you have to figure out how to make a task fun for yourself. So if you like this key, second key is also very important, which I call discipline paradox feeling. You probably felt it before, but you never realized it. Imagine you say you was gonna do a task tomorrow. You say you was gonna be productive, you was gonna wake up earlier, but you woke up, your emotions took over you, and you started scrolling, you started being lazy. And even though you may have felt some comfort in the moment, but do you notice how bad it feels after the day is over? Imagine at the end of the day, you feel bad, don't you? You feel disgusted by yourself because you spend the entire day in laziness. But the opposite is true as well. Imagine you spend the day being productive, you did the things that you said you was gonna do. And at the end of the day, imagine how good you feel. You'll probably had that few days where you've been disciplined and at the end of the day you feel amazing. That is the paradox feeling of discipline. So we realize that comfort is not actually fun. It's discipline which causes the fun feeling. So if you liked the second key, the third key is also very crucial if you want to make discipline fun for you long term. So I'm going to explain it this way. Think of your mind like an iceberg. The small part that you can see above the water, that's your conscious mind. That's where you decide to be disciplined, you make goals, you make promises to yourself. But underneath the surface is your subconscious mind, massive part of the iceberg that actually controls you. This is where your justifications, emotions, fears, and these type of things live. These are the things that control your behavior, even though you don't realize it. So even if your conscious mind says that today I'm gonna be disciplined, but your subconscious mind takes over and sparks a emotion inside of you. Your subconscious mind justifies procrastination. It justifies lack of discipline because you have not processed whatever root cause that's causing the lack of discipline. And you say to yourself, even though I'm making conscious decisions to be disciplined, but why, when the time comes to be disciplined, why am I lazy? Why I procrastinate? So if you actually want to be disciplined long term and you want to make it easier for yourself, you have to dive deep into your subconscious mind and tackle and process the root cause reasons that actually causes lack of discipline. Even though people may think that they are doing it right, but they may not be doing it right because they don't know how to properly do it, because it is an abstract thing to explain. And that's why I use the example of an iceberg to explain you. It's an abstract thing to explain. It's complicated to do alone because there are many layers deep inside of you that are hidden that you probably don't even know. So if you want my one-on-one help to apply shadow work to your specific situation and apply proven systems in your life and give you accountability so you can be disciplined and consistent regularly in 8 weeks, then you can join my 8-week program by clicking the link in the description. And by the 8th week, I'm confident that you won't need me because you'll be regularly consistent and disciplined. And I know that we don't like getting pitched or We don't like when someone sells something to us, but this program will actually change your life. So if you want that, click the link in the description, and peace.